my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a vlog. I'm going on a hike in Guayagüeyari with my family and some friends. It's going to be pure entertainment, not much talking, filming a TikTok, but vibes nevertheless. That's my brother-in-law. He feel we going on hunt instead of going on a hike, so he come with a cutlass and our overall, you know. But we'll get things done today. Today's gonna be a fun day. Say hi.
You have
Hi.
the voicemail box. 1-8.
That's my tour guide. Ooh, these eyebrows need to be done. Hi, my baby. I love you. Morning. Yes, start here. You are here. Okay. Go stop, go stop, go stop. Let's go. I didn't get
my cutlass.
Let's say look at snake.
Okay. Oh, I want cutlass. I don't want to say look at snake. I want cutlass.
jump. Oh, no, wait, wait.
Yeah.
Good job, guys. Woo!
Hey. Hey.
This one here, all here solid.
Me. Good job, guys.
Come to me, car.
Tishon, don't fall in there. Come on, Cheryl.
Good job. All right, you forgot to under the story.
Yeah, bye.
Bye, have a good day.
I just want to ask, who never see the mud volcano before? 1, 2, 3. Bobby, something like
Me.
Oh, babe. So, Kenny, Tamika, Cheryl. Trisha, you see it already?
No.
Sure. Trisha, you see it already? Yeah, you find it, right? Yeah.
Oh my God, is that it there? That's it there?
Oh my God.
Okay. I didn't know it was like a friggin' sea. Oh my God. Wait. Oh my God. Wow. It's so nice. Oh my God. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, Kia.
Sana, you know what kind of footprint is anything wrong there?
Booty.
My
there.
Oh yeah, there.
Yeah.
There. I don't know, so I can't
Do
answer.
a deer, a female deer.
Wild hog.
Wild hog similar to it. Wild hog very similar to it.
But there.
Yeah, anyway, let's see, crack up, don't go and walk because you will sink. You can have spongy, right? If you watch, you see what going on here?
Yeah.
Don't go too close to it, right? But because of now you float in the mud naturally, even though you can't float, I cannot float. If I go in the sea and try to float, I will sink. Oh, look at where my feet are.
I mean, I want to, but I don't want
But
to
it's like
because
you.
mud.
Yeah.
Next, I go all it. I want all it. We're going all it. We're going all it. Come on. Oh my God.
Sit down. Right, I'm barefoot twice here. Right, in the water.
You already in? Oh God, next one. Oh God.
Listen, come back out just so you're going. Put your bum, see up there.
Oh God.
Show just a big side is soggy so you will stick. That's all I love about put on your foot. Did you?
Cheryl.
You know what?
Derek.
Oh my God, this is so cool.
Born down here?
I love it. Come here, Cheryl. Come here.
Go Cheryl.
I like she just got in one time, say it's so cool. She float up.
Alright, so you can.
Okay. Let me see your face. Man, muddy puddle, the largest muddy puddle in the Trinidad. Watch them. She making her mud in like Peppa Pig.
Look, Peppa Pig.
Look, Peppa Pig making her mud. She's making a mud angel.
guys, so this is how I have to end the vlog. We came home, we went to the beach, we took showers, we relaxed and enjoyed a family night of games and fun. Thank you all so much for coming back to my channel. I hope you all enjoyed this adventure with us, and I'm hoping to have more adventures and more vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my last video. You know, it's somewhere right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much again for coming back to my channel. I appreciate your love and support so much. I love you guys. Stay safe and stay sweet.